stare right at the camera, right?
No. Talk to me.
Especially in classic cars, I'm the, yeah, roger that.
Okay, undo the claps. Clap. Clap again. No, dude, just gotta get those sick random pans.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Golden, man.
Will that be all right?
I'll do it.
Hopefully. Think you can do something with that?
Pretty sure you said that exact line in the last
It was very short. Of course it was very short. How many minutes was it?
one. 2 minutes.
2 minutes. How long do you want it to be? I don't know what else to say.
Are they laughing? I mean, we have to be 4 minutes by now. Oh, I hate this. I don't want to do that again.
So if you go to uniquespecialtyandclassiccars.com, no, that is not the website.
Formulate words.
But my pecker's still up there too. That is seriously the web page.
It's priced right. Definitely not gonna go. Yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say. That said, call Dylan, call anybody. Yeah, that sounds dumb. Exit that out.
And then that would be a slammer. Noosh. Well, not actually roll, I'm just explaining to him what we're doing. Well, we probably did press record anyway, but the point is...
I don't know if it was long enough for you, but...
Check. Over. Check, check. Oh, that's gonna go...
Cut. Marker.
Hopefully, you can do something with that. I don't know how big and fat my head looks.
Haha, that's what you get, son.
What do I get?
Almost everything is done on the internet. We take videos, blah, blah, blah.
You're golden, pony boy. Pony boy.
Wow.